Alright guys, welcome to another Tap Sports baseball video. In today's video we are going to be opening up the Flip the Switch boxes. And to be completely honest, these boxes don't look that great to me other than that Yasmani, because he is a switch hitter, catcher with two amazing abilities, 4 walk-off hero. Other than that, the box looks kind of underwhelming. Um, Percentage okay on the 5.8, and the percentage is actually fairly good on the regular one at 10.2%. So hopefully I'll pull something good. Really only hoping for the Yasmani. Anything else, don't really care about. So let's hope I get lucky here and get Yasmani. So starting right off the rip, gonna get Marwin Gonzalez. Experience here. Got another player. Let's hope for the best. Not the best. Not the catcher I was looking for. Let's see if this is the catcher I'm looking for. Nope, not the catcher. And another player. And there we go. Yasmani. So, best player in the box. Only player I really wanted, to be completely honest. Great for walk-off hero. So yeah, that's pretty awesome. So did not get a 4.5 or better. Once again. And once again. So I mean, I really got the only player I wanted out of these boxes. I don't see myself using the Ozzy Albies or the Billy Hamilton. So I don't really want to open more boxes, to be completely honest. Let me level up this Yasmani real quick. And he will actually make my team over my current catcher, Buster Posey, who is a good player, not great for walk-off hero. So, Yasmani is. Let's get him leveled up for you guys. And I'll probably just play some walk-off hero in this video, actually, to kind of make up for the fact that I'm not going to open any more boxes, since I did get lucky and I pulled the player I wanted to get. I don't want to just make the video that short for you guys. Let's level up his abilities one more time. So let me go through, see if there's any other players I could level up, because could level up this Trevor Story. Also has two great abilities for walk-off hero. His DD. I like getting all my players to at least level 6 on their abilities. Adam Frazier. Trevor Bauer I could do. Yeah, I could do Trevor Bauer. Get all my players up to where they need to be. And hold on one sec. I believe I could put Buster Posey in over Cody Bellinger, but I do believe Cody Bellinger has better abilities for walk-off hero. He has more power as well, so I'm gonna leave him in there. Adam Frazier's good. Let's look at Yasmani's stats: 214, 195, 118. So his player actually looks amazing for a walk-off hero, to be honest. 214 and 195, better than 210 and 184 from Buster Posey. So definitely going to leave him in my team for walk-off hero. Let's see the boost that getting. So not getting those, not getting any of those. So I'm getting 80,000 per RBI for Yasmani. I don't believe there's a franchise player. Nope. Have a ton of franchise coins. So let's actually go through and do some of the walk-off heroes. Don't get any bonus for the first one. I was doing it earlier. One sec. Let me get in a better position here. Alright. So, gonna go through this first one. Let's see, Cody Bellinger. Gonna see if I can get through this. No hit. Alright. There it is. Grand slamming it. Cody Bellinger. Love using this guy for walk-off hero. Both of his boosts always pretty much active on walk-off hero, which makes him amazing to use. This Yasmani's probably going to be the same thing most of the time. He's going to be activating both of his boosts. Let's see what his overall looks like. 214 overall with 240 hit, 219 power. So yeah, this guy getting a nice little dinger there to score a runner. I'll go through and see if I can do all of, what is this, level 2. Oh, I definitely should be able to. Gleyber Torres, another great walk-off hero player. Two, 214 as well. Another little dinger. Getting through this pretty easily. Don't remember if my player gets a bonus for doing it, so I'll just do them now. Don't want to do that yet. Let's see. Do them now before it starts getting higher. My player is decent for walk-off hero. I picked the right-handed and late innings, so it procs most of the time. The right-hand one doesn't proc all the time, but a lot of pitchers are right-handed, so it usually procs. And a little dinger there. So getting through this pretty easily. Don't think I'll need a reset or anything for this level 2 Trevor Story. So as you can see, I have a lot of players that are actually good for walk-off hero. Most of them get decent boost. That should advance runners. Alright, let's get a home run here. Nope, dinger. That should advance at least one. So doing good here, doing good. Spice it up with some gameplay. This is one of my first videos with gameplay in a while. Get Mike Moustakas in there. Let's see. He should only have one boost, I believe. Yep. Not a right-handed pitcher. And that should score a runner. Possibly two, but one for sure. 2 runners, let's go. So, nothing too difficult yet. 4 more, we'll go with Didi Gregorius, another good player for this. You see most of my players at least get 1 boost. That's going to be an out. Oh, error. Wow. Well, you get lucky sometimes. Didn't like that pitch. Ugh, I hate those pitches. If you guys play this a lot, you know those at-bats are never good. Along with this one. Gotta sit on those a little bit. Well, yeah, sometimes this happens. Alright, let's see if I can get a hit here. There we go. Bases are loaded for a good old Didi. Oh, man. Gonna have to go an extra inning. No biggie. Should be able to do this regardless. That's a home run. Just barely, but still home run. And another one. Let's go. So I actually get 2 home runs when he doesn't have any of his boosts activated. Kind of funny. 3 more rounds, I believe, yeah. And I will go with Adam Frazier and 2 of my Trouts. So Adam Frazier should have both abilities activated. 236 and 212. And a weak little hit to advance the runner. This is good. All I need is a single to for sure score. And that'll do it. This is only level 2, so it's not difficult whatsoever. Got rookie Mike Trout coming up, which his ability is active on the first time he's up at bat, but anytime after that it's not. So it's already not going to be active. I probably shouldn't have swung at that pitch, but whatever. And that should score a runner, so one more single should do it. Oh, scoring 2. Well, there it is. Got the lucky animation. This rookie Trout does have decent speed, so that's cool. Alright, going on to the last round with the big boy Mike Trout, the big hitter. 214 and 210. Pretty insane, honestly. And there it is. Just sit on that pitch and send it out of the park. Alright, so did a quick level of walk-off hero, just so the video wouldn't be so short. Actually showing some gameplay for you guys. I'll go through and sim this while I'm doing my outro. Did lose one game to the Stros. Honestly, the Astros always manage to take at least one game from me. Don't understand how. I'm over 40,000 strength higher than them. It just happens. They manage to take one game from me every single season, and it's so frustrating. Regardless, I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for the support. We are still growing, and that's awesome, so I love to see it. Keep leaving those comments. Let me know what you guys think of the boxes. I didn't think they were that great, to be honest. That Yasmani is a really good card, I will admit. Really good player. He's a switch hitter with 2 amazing abilities, so I'm not going to pretend like the box is completely terrible, because I did like getting him. Buster Posey is relegated now to... I don't even know if he'll make my bench, to be honest. Let me take another quick look. I like Adam Frazier better, and I like Trevor Story better, because both of them are super useful for walk-off hero. 212, 193. Yeah, and I like Didi as well. And then, yeah, so I don't think Buster's making it back onto the team, and I love this Cody Bellinger because both of his abilities proc for walk-off hero, and he has decent stats, and he's a lefty. So I have a decent righty, so switch hitter, righty, righty, lefty, lefty, righty, 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 lefty, lefty, right, left. So I have a good mix already. So yeah, Buster Posey might get traded in for experience at this point, which is unfortunate, but it is what it is. Team's always getting better. So yeah, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Leave down below if you pulled anyone, what you think of the box. Love reading the comments, love interacting with you guys. That's going to do it for now. Look forward to Wednesday's box opening, and I'll catch you guys next time.